Okay, we're starting the drone and it is going up now. We are going to survey the silo.
Am I clear?
Yeah, you're clear. Okay. Okay, keep on going. You're still about 40 feet away. Keep on going. Closer. Okay, you're still about 30 feet away. A little bit closer, like another 5 feet. Okay, you're good. All right, you can start going around. Oh, too fast. Slower. Okay. No, no, no. Fly over. Don't fly underneath.
Okay, there is a freaking... What the hell is that? There's something connecting the tall silo to this silo.
Yeah, there's a pipe that connects it. I know.
Yeah, I'm just gonna fly over from the other side then. Thanks, sir.
Okay. I cannot see. I don't know where you are.
Should be
Okay, I see you. Okay.
This other side is pretty risky.
You can come closer. You're like 50 feet away.
That
Yeah.
close enough?
Yeah, that's close enough. Go down about 10 feet. Okay, now you can probably center your, adjust your camera so that it will be more like straight.
Okay.
Okay, you should see that that structure, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
Can you see inside of it?
Not really.
Not really? Okay. But you can see the roof and everything, right? It looks like it's pretty bad shape.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so can you go towards... Yeah, go in between slowly. You're in good position. Yeah, right there, perfect. As far as the just going, well, it's not exactly straight though, but you have pretty good clearance. You're like at least 10 feet from each side. Oh, you were moving towards the big silo. No, 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 stop, stop. Okay, you need to go back to the small silo. Go towards the front of you. Move forward, basically. There you go. Yeah, keep on going, moving forward. It's safer. Okay, because you are higher than the small silo anyway. Okay, yeah, you're good. You can pan. You probably want to move. No, rotate to your right. I know you're gonna be seeing Highway 90, but then you're gonna move to your left after you rotate to your left, to your right. Okay, now you can move to your left. I'm watching. It's okay. You're clear. Keep on going. Make sure you adjust your camera so that you focus on that building. Okay, yeah, you're good. You can keep going. Keep on going, you're clear.
Watch that catwalk.
Yeah, no, you're clear.
Alright, I can see through one of the windows and lower myself so I can just...
Yep,
Clear?
you're still clear. You are clear, but in about, I would say 20 feet, when you keep on moving 20 feet, you need to go up a little bit, otherwise you're gonna hit the catwalk. Okay, but you can keep on going. I'll tell you when you're like 5 feet away from it. You can keep on going, keep on going.
Tell me at 10 feet.
Okay. Okay,
So-
all right, now you're about 10 feet away. Yeah, go up a little bit, go up about 10 feet. Keep on going.
There's a hole in the roof.
Okay, I see. All right, keep on going. Keep on going again, another 5 feet. Okay, now you clear the catwalk. You can keep going to the left.
It looks like something is in there. It's kind of pretty heavy machinery.
Yeah, it's like a rail thing, like you know, like a sorting machine. Okay.
I'll go peek to my left so I can see.
Okay.
Okay. I need to go higher.
Okay.
There's another catwalk.
I know. You should be able to clear that catwalk, right?
No.
Okay. Well, you cannot go too high. There's that stupid pipe. You're right in the middle right now.
Okay, this one's pretty hard.
All right. I think you need to go forward. You're facing the catwalk right now.
Yeah.
You can go forward and then pan to the right to see the building. Why don't you do a 360 here? It'll be interesting. I want to see the 360 from where you are. Make sure your camera angle is facing the silo.
It is.
Okay, good. Yeah, that looks good. All right, that's really good. Okay. I guess move more towards the back of the silo, towards the catwalk, and then probably do another 360 there, like further away, like past the silo.
The first catwalk or the second catwalk?
Second catwalk, past the second catwalk by about 20 feet.
Moving? You
Yeah,
see?
yeah, I see it moving. Keep on going. You're clear. You're clear. Keep on going. You're clear. You're not gonna hit the catwalk. Move.
When-
You probably want to move to the left a little bit.
Moving to the left.
Okay, that's good. Okay, right now you're in the middle of the alley, like you know, between the two silos. So you can just go forward.
Oh shit!
What?
Not recording.
Huh?
I wasn't recording.
All this time?
Yes.
Ha! You gotta be kidding me. All right, come back.
360.
Oh, you're gonna start again? Okay. Are you recording now?
Yes.
All right. So I guess you need to straighten out to the building and then pan to the right.
Am I safe to lower?
Yeah, that's as slow as you should go though. Okay.
Oh, okay.
No, it's good. I mean, you're not going to hit anything. I just don't want you to be at the same level as a silo.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
No, you're good. I don't know why it dropped a little bit.
I'm panning.
Okay.
Some heavy winds.
Yeah, I feel like gusts of wind. Okay, looks like you're at the end of it. Okay, looking good. Okay, looking good. Getting to be too far away.
Camera's pretty zoomed a lot, so it's
Oh, okay.
It looks like I'm directly in front of it.
All right, okay. You're about 20 feet away in real life. Probably 25. Okay, now you're going to the other side. Looks good. You're very far away. 20 feet, 25 feet away. Okay. I still see you. Still looking good. Okay, why don't you do a 360 there?
360 here?
Yep, 360 there is good. All right, very good. Okay, you want to finish up with a little bit of the back side of it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I cannot see you now.
I'm gonna do a flyover over the top.
All right. In the middle of it, can you do it another 360?
Yeah. In the middle of the top, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna get really close to that line.
What line?